double rainbow. Oh my god. AutoZone. Hey, where are we going, Tony?
Hey, we're going to fucking Las Vegas. We're going back to the desert.
Hey Siri, give me directions out of here. I want to go to Las Vegas.
Getting directions to Las Vegas.
She always does what I fucking tell her to. Fucking snow around the corner. I'm wearing fucking shorts thinking I'm going to California or Vegas or something.
Jack! Whoa!
Alright, we got our first blowout. So what we are doing is we are driving through the US and the A. We have a lot of this like flat ground, not a lot of trees, very much desert and stuff. We have some trees, yes, as you can see, but it's been not so many lately. We stopped for espresso. Okay, Utah. Okay, Nevada. Okay, Oregon. Okay, Idaho. Thanks, jerks. Gosh, fucking assholes.
Can you believe it? They left a fucking dust storm on
leaving all this shit all over my fucking car, huh? We made it to Vegas. We got the truck all in one piece. Open trailer. Sorry I had to do this to you, but you're a drift car, so I don't care that much. Hey Daryl.
What's up?
Do you think this is going to be a problem for qualifying?
Absolutely not, dude.
You think I can still rock this?
Yeah, dude, let's grab some zip ties.
Zip ties?
Oh, yeah.
Does anybody have zip ties? Do you have zip ties?
Don't have any zip ties.
Well, guys, sorry to disappoint.
I mean, it could be worse.
Yeah. Trans could be broken.
Exactly. Well, you still got a drive line.
That's true.
And the other side looks alright. What happened? No?
Look.
Whoa.
pass out. I'm kind of dehydrated.
Go drink some water.
I realized my wheel was behind me. I was pretending to pass out and I almost knocked myself out. I gotta pull this all the way out.